Wall Street just got a powerful AI signal. Oil is rising again, Middle East tensions are shaking energy markets, and one of the world's biggest fashion companies is going public at a valuation far below its peak. Four stories, one global economy. And the real question is this: are markets entering another big rally or bigger risk hiding underneath? Welcome to today's global business, financial market and geopolitical briefing. Today is 28. Let's connect the biggest stories from yesterday and understand what they really mean for world economy. The first story begins with Nvidia, and this is not just about earning story. Nvidia has once again shows how one company can move on entire market. The AI chip gave investors a very strong forecast for future growth. Nvidia is expecting around 70% revenue growth for its next fiscal year. That was much stronger than many analysts had expected. The message from Nvidia was simple: demand for AI is still extremely strong, and investors reacted immediately. Nvidia shares jumped strongly. The wider semiconductor sectors also moved higher. Companies connected to AI, cloud computing, and software joined the rally. And something even bigger happened. Wall Street moved higher. Next day gain around 1.57%, S&P 500 gain around 0.72%, Dow Jones gain around 0.20%. Technology stocks were clearly leading the market, so why does Nvidia matter so much? Because Nvidia is not simply selling computer chips. Its chips are at the center of a global AI infrastructure race. Companies want to build AI systems. They need computing power, they need data centers, they need advanced chips, and they need networking equipment. They need cooling systems. Nvidia is deeply connected to this whole entire system. That means when Nvidia says demand remains strong, investors do not hear one company's forecast. They hear a clear message about future of entire AI economy. Yesterday, that message was positive. For months, investors have worried about AI bubble. They have asked a very simple questions: are technology companies spending too much money on AI? Companies around the world are investing billions of dollars in our data centers. They are buying huge amount of computing powers. They are hiring AI engineers, building new AI products. Even investors eventually want results. They want revenue, they want profit, they want returns on all that spending. Nvidia's forecast gave them more confidence that the spending psychology is still strong. And that is why stock market reacted so sharply and strongly. But there is an important warning. Strong growth creates high expectations. When high expectations become very high, even a good results can disappoint investors' confidence. So Nvidia now has another challenge. It has to be continued delivery. The company has to prove that AI demand can remain strong not just for one quarter but for a year. That is going to be one of the biggest stories in a global market. Because of if AI spending continues, technology stocks could remain powerful. But if AI spending soars sharply, investors could become much more worried about it. And that brings us our second story. Because while Nvidia was giving markets a reason to celebrate, another market was sending a warning. Crude oil price rose yesterday. Brent crude settled around 2% higher, ending a third session's losing streak. At the first, this may look like a normal commodity market move, but it is a more important than that. Oil is one of the most important prices in a global economy. When oil rises, transportation cost can rise. Shipping cost even more rise, and airline cost can rise. Manufacturing cost get higher, and eventually customer prices can also rise. That means oil is closely connected to inflation, and inflation is closely connected to interest rates. This creates a chain reaction. Higher oil prices can create higher inflations. Higher inflations can make central banks more tensions. Central banks can keep interest rates higher for longer. Higher rates can put pressure on stocks. So yesterday's oil move was important because investors are already watching inflations very close. Federal Reserve remain one of the biggest forces in a global financial market. Investors want to know what happened next with interest rates. They are also watching Federal Reserve officials and Jackson Hole meeting for clues about future policies. Market wants lower rates, but Fed need inflation to remain under control. That is where oil become very important. If energy prices rise sharply, the inflation's problem can become more difficult. So there is a strange situation in the market right now. Technology investors are optimistic because of Nvidia, but energy markets are reminding everyone that inflation risk has not disappeared. And this takes us directly to geopolitics. Because the oil story is connected to one of the most important geopolitical flashpoints. Conflict involving US and Iran continues to create uncertainty around the Strait of Hormuz. And the Strait of Hormuz is extremely important for crude oil. It is one of the world's key energy shipping routes. Large amounts of oil move through this narrow waterway. So any serious disruptions can have a major impact on a global energy supply. This is why markets are watching every diplomatic move very closely. If tensions increase, oil could move higher. If diplomacy succeed, some of that risk premium could disappear. That is a strange reality of global market. A political meeting in the Middle East can affect oil prices. Oil prices can affect inflation, inflation affect interest rates, and interest rates can affect Wall Street. And Wall Street can affect investors around the world. One event can travel through the global economy very quickly. This is why geopolitical is no longer separate from finance. Middle East conflicts has already had a major impact on our financial market this year. A router reported that conflict has pushed Brent crude oil 2026 average to around $90 a barrel, compared with around $70 last year. Despite the geopolitical shock, global equities have remained relatively strong, helped by the huge investment in our AI sector. That is the important point. Normally, a major geopolitical shock would be expected to hurt global stock badly, but this time something different is happening. AI investment is acting like a powerful support for equity markets. Technology companies are growing, AI spending is increasing, investors are still willing to take risk. So markets are absorbing geopolitical shocks, but then more expected. But that does not mean the risks are gone. It means investors are choosing to look through them, and the can change quickly. If oil prices suddenly rise much more, investors may stop ignoring the geopolitical risk.
Yeah.